welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today I need to make a jig for my Japanese pull saw. It's just a small jig just to cut mitres for small pieces. I came across a project that I was doing and it was unsafe to cut on the mitre saw, and I don't have a crosscut sled for my table saw, and I thought, well, good practice for the hand tools. So that's the plan. I'm going to drop my bag down, get all the machines turned on, and we'll get going. I forgot to say, the project I was talking about was the video that would have been uploaded prior to this one. So if you haven't seen it, go check it out. It's a playing card case, and I used this jig that I'm about to build in that particular video, so head over there if you want to. If not, stick around and watch this one. So to explain the jig that I'm making, I've basically got 3 pieces of scrap. I'm gonna have a flat piece. This will be my cut-in fence, and then this will go underneath as the bench hook, and then this can also be clamped into the bench itself. However, normally you would have with a normal push saw where the teeth cut on the push stroke rather than the pull stroke. I'm going to be making mine for Japanese saw, which means I need my workpiece to be the opposite side of the fence. You'll probably know what I mean, but if you don't, it just means when I'm pulling back on my saw, I'm pulling the workpiece into the fence rather than away from it, so I don't have to actually hold the workpiece as tight. And it just makes it more secure. If you were going to do it with a push saw, you'd put the fence this side and the workpiece would rest here, so when you cut through your piece you'll be pushing against the fence. That'll make sense, but yeah, that's the plan anyway. First thing I'm going to do is make this square. As you can see, it's not, well, I'm not sure if you can see it actually, but it's not square. So I'll trim this side to make it parallel with this face, and then we'll cut the sides over on the miter saw. But we'll head to the table saw first. So the pieces that I need are all cut out, square, planed. Obviously these were offcuts from a previous project, so if you need to plane some stock down that's not already square, do that before doing any of these steps. We've also marked out the centre line on here, and I've made little marks so when I screw this in, I'll be screwing it 90 to this edge. It's not essential, but I think maybe it'll come in handy. So for the centre line, I'm going to use my square to follow the lines down, so when I'm cutting using the handsaw, I'll be able to see if I'm following my line or not. So we'll do that down there, like so, and we'll also do it on the other side. Like so. So now we're going to do the 45s. Okay, that's the lines marked out. The knife ball's done, ready to cut. Not sure if you can hear me, the rain has come and it's pretty grim. Okay, we're almost there now. There's only one more step before the jig is completely finished. The last step is to just cut down to the bottom all the way through, so I'll take it over to the workbench, cut that, and then we'll test it out. you can see, it works perfectly for cutting small mitres on small pieces. Focus. It's hard for me to hold this, but that is pretty nice for a hand cut mitre. Yeah, and it's nice and safe. One thing I do need to tell you though is I put my screws in the wrong place, so if you make yours, make sure you put the screw out of the way of the cutting. I'll show you. So here I had to take my screws out. I thought I'd put them over enough, but obviously not, but that's fine. It's not going to affect the jig. I'll just move my screw over there and here, so I miss my saw. Okay, that wraps up the video. The jig is now complete. We've cut all the way through. I'm really happy with how it's turned out. I might look to improve this in the future, but I think this is just what I needed to do. Nothing fancy. It's going to help me cut small mitres for smaller projects because it's unsafe to do it on any of the power tools. Yeah, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel to see future videos like this one, and hit the bell icon. Thank you very much, and see you soon.